thankful day. Let's see how to embroider decorative patterns of new Thanksgiving season. Use double threads to stitch corns. Focus on each stitch by stitch. Use a needle through pleats and pull thread straight. Use needle to stitch flexibly on pleated fabric. Make each stitch meticulously and carefully. Make neat and nice details of the embroidered flowers. It takes 4-5 hours to finish this craft piece. It is applicable to make decorative patterns to smocked clothing for kids. Order wholesale price range 10-15 min, order 20 PCS to 00 PCS.